means you will genuine, which means you don't repent. Remember, protect your papa to be a come way that me find what of all I won't be a fancy when you are able to be no miss one. Therefore, you be seen the condition on today, which means you will genuine, which means you come to complete that work, which means he's on under ascend to come and destroy this guy called Robert Tobie. Or one on the Kusia because he made a Kaimara that no one song was can never change, including more than them again. We can never change.
My mind now, I have come to realize that there's no way anybody that propagated in God's gospel, that promoted in God's, anybody that promoted in God's, there's no way you can repent and be genuine.
You see,
no way. Anybody that promoted in God's, you can never repent and be genuine.
You see,
I told us that this fight will go a long way. I told us that it's just getting started. This is just a preamble. Just calm down and listen. We are here again, my people. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. We are back again in the video. This is just a kind of continuation of the video that I shared on a second platform, coming from why such as gossiping table, because she gossip a lot. That the table of gossip and propaganda and lies and what have you. So we are back again. Please make sure you like the video and let's go through this one together. The battle, the fight, the standing game between Lasuba and Eggman. It continued because Eggman made a video where he tried to address Ugo 247 in a negative way after begging Ugo to fall back, and Ugo said, "To hell with your fallback. I resigned for a reason. I don't want to support anybody." He keep on dragging Ugo, and this is what Lasuba has to say about it. Pay attention because he himself wind his mouth. On an attempt to attack Ugo, he tried to drag Lasuba to that, knowing fully well that Lasuba is looking for content. Just mention her name, you'll be in her next video. Pay attention.
anybody promoted in gossip, you can never repent and genuine. One day, walk out jail. Equal or Batobia and Biafra artist here.
Okay.
Equal or Batobia and Biafra is here.
Let me talk more.
Equal or Batobia that always come.
Okay.
Oh, one who female or Batobia.
Okay.
Equal or Batobia and go YouTube. Or if you could equal or Batobia or go YouTube. Yes, Obatobia always come. You fight against Obatobia, which means you will genuine, which means you don't repent. Remember, protect your Obatobia or Bahalagi. Come way that if I ain't like what of all I will be a fancy when you are able Obatobia, no miss one. Therefore, you be seen the condition on today, which means you will genuine. Which means you come to complete that work. Which means he's on under ascend to come and destroy this guy called Robert Tobie.
Now, remember, we are not here to attack anybody. We are not here to represent anybody. We are here just to say the truth and remind you of their activities and what I've said in the past and what their role. All right. This woman just told PM, just said that PM is a terrorist. Okay. And she's here trying to also drag Eggman, which is well deserved. Eggman, on the other hand, is also trying to look, is searching for another person to rubbish. That is what they do, and we are here to remind you that they are all the same. They are all the same because Eggman and this woman have done more harm than good. It's no longer in use, and many of you can testify to that. But if you have any different thing, any different opinion from that, please hit the like button, hit the comment section rather, and tell us what you think. If you agree or disagree, pay attention. We are going somewhere. We are going to somewhere. Just pay attention.
That no one song was can never change, including more than them again. We can never change. Managuman will be worse than that. That threat the life of Obatobia by Asian Biafra Yelisi. And in a condition under your watch, go and work and say that Nabiafra Yelisi. Ne condition here today. I'm not on your conscience. I'm not on your nature, which is a born a panic book. Koipatana knowing the born in your slogan.
It does not mean that this is not to say that this woman care about Obatobia. She don't care about Obatobia whatsoever, please. So let us just put that out there. She don't care about Obatobia at all. So to some of you that will be like, what she's saying is true. Oh, Eggman said this. Yes, Eggman said that. He said it, and Eggman and why they are both the same. She don't even want Obatobia. Eggman don't want Obatobia. That's why they're looking for a group that will favor them where they can operate and accomplish their nonsensical things. And even the one that doesn't show his face as well, they're all the same. They're all in the same boat.
At times, in our judge yourself, in our judge a mother. Money will come up by here. He may be like now. Because if everyone will you believe that now. You believe that now. And you believe that Nandi Gumo Van me belong jelly, let's say. Many body for Ngozi can never change. Which means it didn't change. Which means you have completed why we're about to be in a Biafra this year. You see, actually, my wago and was said this night. It is and my baby. They think about it. My brother Jerry, thank you for you to open our eyes to tell us that you will come back after Kimmeja over to be Akajikula Akaji. We are not Biafra this year. And the group no kwa ukuri utisho. Ukuri utisho. It's shock. Then you come back. All back to be with hope. With an apatage. Biafra. GDC. What do you go? Because we will lose everything. This man lose everything.
It will never ever, let me rebook it. Biafra can never ever lace over Tobia. Yes, I know na ịchọkwara ife now because go ime pọn na-akpụ egbu n'igbo ịchọkwa ka olu isi ya too, but unu they are late, very 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 late. It's not going to happen and God will not allow it to happen. Ọ mekwe ka mmadụ kpatara ya ka ọra Chineke anọzi ndụ gekwentị ndị ọjọọ
In this world.
unu ga-apụta n'ọgwa agwọna m unu pụta ka ọgwa ka owe elu na na-atụ ya mbụ a na-atụ ngwugwu ma na a ga-ata ata na-atụ ya mbụ ọgwụ a ga-anụ ya ruo n'isi ọ bụkwa ma ọgwụ unu anụchaghị ya. You guys have tried to manage this to this extent, but the time has come. Ihe ndị boot unu pụta piano ife a ka o ife a na-ekwu.
This case. Oh no, but to be win everything this man built from Anandianine. Whoa, lose go and Chanine. Only be easy. If I ain't going
why no man lose ya? Ebe somebody, an insider like you, is telling the whole world that he's Oyobunigwe. No, now deputy ya is Oyobunigwe. What was your mission? What is your mission? What was your intention? What do you plan? When you are saying all those things, what do you think that is going to result to? Is a way man I be in Ezeoku. Ndojo.
under your watch. Continue to can answer. Go to for some.
If you promoted Ngozi, especially in the media, especially in the media, those that are following Ngozi privately are doing that, and they have not repented. I understand why. But when in the media, you push Ngozi, Like the other lady that promoted Ngozi and used Ngozi to destroy everything we are doing and come and as if you want to repent. Na lie, na lie. You see, na lie. It will be better for them to just go back to Ngozi.
Lasuba agwa ya gona ogwa ka ọ na-agwa ị ga-anụ chife gbade nkịtị unu yi buutu yi kwado n'ọfụma chiefs chair no table ndị nọ ndị ga-ebupụ oche bupụ chair na everything ka a na ọgwa ka o wee because you cannot just instigate this kind of thing and expect us to just are we not waiting ụlọ alaba bekwa mmadụ anyị ma anyị na-eche ka a na ọgwa ka o yi because adọkọ m igbo ọgwụ ekwukwana m ife before ọgwụ a mba because you guys have done more hand than good which everybody can testify ịma mbịa ebe a na-ekwuchie nnọọ mgbe nke ọzọ na gworo Fulani onye nke asị gị na Biafra ga-eri isi ọbata obi unu na-agbakwa the same thing uruzie kịta unu bịara wee this kind of understanding which is good ị na-achọ ime ka ọ dị mba unu gaa n'iru wit ọgwụ a ka welifa na-ekwu because I cannot just hide it anymore. Listen to them.
Everything she does to you, manage it like that.
Ọgwa ka ọ na-agwa
agwana ngi yesterday chegwa mo mafa because na agwa boku na address ya direct you go na atu me
in address ya ụlọ akwụkwọ ekwe bụrụ in address ya ekwukwana m ihe ha before onye ha na-esi in address mmadụ anyway before ibido mesin Lasuba elo mesin ị ga-bụ in address ị na-ekwukwu address ọ dịka onye na-awụ German floor ị na-akpọ blog onye na address anyway let's continue. Why you searching?
Are you afraid of me?
Ọ ga-atụ n'oge ụjọ na why not man to go Eggman it's also from a repair one opera get prayer for that na it's neighbor one I want to know na akwụkwọ na-ekwe gị ntị
o nwere ihe na-ezo enwere ike kpọọ m afa nwapụta ozugbo
o nwere ife ọ na-ezi na amara kama na alụ na gị ekweghị ikwu okwu o nwere ife ọ bụla ọ na-eze gụwa na amara ọ ga ịwa amara but ịma how can you not know when you are partner in the crime? How can you not know?
You can't control me. I control myself. Egwu na atụ gị ka ife ya ị na-ekwuzi okwu dị akpọ m afa. Are you afraid of me? Are you afraid? What are you hiding? Iji atụ m egwu eche na ọnọdụ genuine so o nwere ife ị na-ezo iji awụ ị na-edresizi ada n'igbo ị na-akpọzi ihe a ga-akpọzi m afa the whole Biafra mana ọmụ ka ị na-agwa the whole Biafrans
mma ntụkwasị ama m ọgwụkwe na amara ama m n'oge na ọya ka m ji ekwu okwu ịsọ na elu ikpu na elu na wee nụ ọgwa unu face bone to bone face to face kwacharịa ka owe ife anyị ga na ebe anyị ga-abịado aka na-ekwu ya bụ because ife unu na-atụ ya mbọ unu enene ya nnu adọm ife a na ogwu abụrụ ife a ga-enene nnu ndị CRC last week you were also doing the same thing ị na-agba okwu okirikiri anyị maka na ọkwa Eggman ka ị na-agwa and Eggman watchkwa that video Eggman ife ndị ekwu ife abụ that na ọ nweghị gị bụ and ọgwụ abụ ọzọ ọgụ mana Lasuba abụcha ọgbọ na ọwa abụghọ na nwoke na ife a niile bụ na ịpụta ime ya ka o so suppose ịdị kpọọ okwu afa ka amara ife anyị na-ekwu because you calling her not ajọ mmadụ that she no repent that she is unrepented saboteur according to you and not support on Ngozi therefore she can never ever repent coming from go abụkwa onye CRC and onye Ogekere ha alụmere ichefu na ife ndị ikwu maka Ogekere anyway both of you are the same like I said but I just want you to pick the words from Yawa and ịgbatị akịtị man bụ coward you need to talk.
the whole Biafrans mana ọmụ ka ị na-agwa
nwaanyị kwuo n'okwu ka anyị na-ege gị ntị kwutọpụ ife adịghị n'obi ka owe ife anyị na-ekwu.
my brother ọnwụ na ọnwụwa egwu m na-atụ ka ịgba m tụka otu anyị si akpọ gị afa na gadị m atụ gị egwu eziokwu dị n'eziokwu ka m agwa gị that's all imego ka anyị mara that you didn't change and they can never change never and you have complete the promise he promised the upper Toby and Biafra is here and under your watch with him Deputy Prime Minister under upper Toby Biafra is here
Why all guys? Biafra this year.
Yes.
I'm not easy.
Because
Oh yeah, easy. We need but it's no this year. Although possible. Biafra this year. The time while the guy to now Biafra. Okay, can I be Biafra? Or this year. That Biafra or this year. Or there's no way that plan is where they executed. Although possible. You can never. Even though if you change if you on DJ from if you again. So don't celebrate too soon. Because if this your pretense and ashigani is not going to save you. How can he save you? How can he save you? I'm just asking, how can he save you? Ugo himself is the one that made himself possible to be available for you guys to use him and do all this nonsense you are doing. But like I always tell you, time will tell. So I don't want to talk about that, but let's just focus on the Eggman and our response to that. Pay attention,
if
people.
you don't want to be no
And
keep
please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. In case if you have
or
not,
don't come.
was not doing the whole remember.
The only thing when you kill a vibe over to be with that man. Who will win this case?
Okay, win yeah.
If not,
I'm coming
who
to
lose with this case?
Okay, win the case, even though you don't even want it. Man, I'm just telling you, okay, win yeah. So the catch one that plan before so you know come and can show down.
They can never let on all his properties easily seized. Account ya kuchi you know. Instead, go and put on social media. Once woman, one is only go talk, I told about to be a powerful lawyer. And all about war. A deputy prime minister.
A deputy prime minister. This one. The thing is that a deputy prime minister. The thing is that go and go a platform. You go na go platform. You want Niger where is you go lawyer. You went to Finland to do what? To of course no if you guy about riot. You got riot in Finland. And you got riot one. Gacha riot na on behalf of Oisi Novo Oyobambo, Oyobunigwe. Kijwe gakwa ebe afọ Imagono. I don't understand, but I hope that ikuku nna gị na egekwa ife niile na-ego because Biafrans are now connecting the dots. Everybody is now connecting the dots. People are now getting to know what your intention is all about, what you represent, and what you stand for. Pay attention, my love.
Yes, no, who's a deputy? Our deputy prime minister and on an attitude and information prime minister. Very shameful. Very shameful. You couldn't watch
Wait,
information.
Eggman was snagging here with Deputy Prime Minister. I know we're going to for. But Gema only could have acting Minister of Information, which is also laughable. But like I said, to them it's all about position. Okay, I'm going to each in the by everybody.
Minister of a nation. Kafasi Ababa. Omulenke unkwanku iko. Omulenke unkoto njine. Omulenke we muti drone. Now put on social media make noise every day. Instead for you to come out and tell us how Biafra can you name and go see me? Can you guess over to be K by Omega appeal, go maybe appeal. If you ever every day in our call, even when you see.
So you're actually expecting people to appear, right? Who is going to appear? Is it Mama Dabo? You called names. Ogenkere, you called names, or USB government of course that to you is it no. I don't know obvious ma how to appear no mena research to do. Mechapụta na ada akwụkwọ if you could obvious have research and find out that they don't need to pay money. If actually this woman, it is too evil, very, very, very bad. Honestly, I have not seen anybody like this before. Very wicked.
Because you fulfill your mission by
Okay, for the mail.
Biafra everybody no ye this year. It's Simon Eba. Biafra Gilisi.
Okulia. Egman,
Biafra Yelisi,
one way in Ikuria.
and they promise and Biafra Yelisi,
Okuria.
and Biafra Yelisi.
Oliver is here, and secretary.
You will be back at that.
As in cars.
I was saying, I want to Sorongos because one was I follow great. Do you know why it is Sorongos?
Ocho,
Because
Ogahadian.
you people plan it all. You know many things that I don't know.
Ocho, you couple we are near.
Here, there's Sorongos. Was one was I follow gate. Follow gate.
Chelo, or solo get caught up solo get. Solo get go gas, get out on no kilo. Solo get. Solo get the guy. What Lasuba, you will not buy me. Hi.
People lie. And you people did determine. It destroy everything. 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 Kind of nigga.
Because you have already pitched your tent in hell and you are meant to be destroyed. Nothing will save you. Nothing. You still go. This guy is evil. Very evil. Now, you come out now. You say every day you will be exposing gossip. We didn't see anything. But what do you want to expose in gossip? That you will join gossip to destroy everything.
Exactly what we were expecting him to expose. Okay, now jump up and down. Okay, my brother will go push, not attack him again. Not all of a sudden now you now realize that only for not getting exposed. Or getting exposed. Like again.
Everything that we are doing. Now today, you know my joy. This video actually vindicates CRC. This video vindicates CRC in the sense that Ugo is now agreeing that it is CRC because Joy Irobi is with CRC. Ugo is admitting that it is CRC that should be doing the main thing and is now accusing us of abandoning our prime minister. He's accusing us of abandoning our prime minister, that nobody is the prime minister. Ugo, you are a fool. How can you say we abandon prime minister? Okay, if you say we have abandoned prime minister, you now, oh yeah, pick it up now. Now that you find out that we have abandoned prime minister, you have find out, you want to speak the truth. Very evil person. This Chineke meruwe ebere ndị Igbo. Ndị Igbo. May God have mercy on all of you. Ndị Igbo, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Very bad, very wicked people.
Ndị Igbo, wicked.
Very.
Okay.
Madnaba, si from all. Madnaba, si from all. Madnaba, si from all.
Negodilu Eggman. Or the court actually Julakam. Negodi, among us will pause right this time. More pause, I'll go last pause on car. All Lasuba, bomb, all Lasuba. Ebo pause, yeah, hey, Eggman, that's the Iluye by Chike Beneman. Ọ dị ime ụmụaka na-abụ maybe if I come na village ndị ebe ka ịfụkwa na ego milk ebute milk efie milk na akamụ ụmụazụ ka ebe a na-atinye nnu n'ofe just tanye obere milk n'ife na nwatakịrị na-awụ ozi ya ma bụ nwatakịrị na-achọ ịkwụsị ịwụ nne ya ara ofi ka ilu ta tufu ya n'akwụkwọ gị gbupụ ya gị ubi ọ daji n'ọgụ ka ọ na ọkwa nri ya na-enye ndị o na ego n'ilu Eggman ebe a Chineke mere mmadụ ebere Lasuba ya it's like oji gị n'ebe ya let's hear from you.
Manaba, see from all. You can never see these people open mouth. Bagi sigi ni bifene me n'ọrụ. Nekwe ka o si aga, nekwe ka o si eme, na be nna m n'ọrụ. You can never hear it. Nwere ike ịma na mmadụ na-aba osi from all.
Mana nke a eziokwu because I made a video a few days ago that people, because of what cash also, and Ijele and Ikenga, what they're doing recently, and Jovika, people need to voice out, report what is going on in your own village. Especially Imo State people. Because what Lasuba said here is true. People will now wake up, enough cash also. Ebe ọ ga na-ekwuchere ndị ọkaigwe ọnụfa ekwuchere ndị arọnzijọg ọnụfa ekwuchitere ndị ọsụmowu ọnụfa everybody cash na-ajụ ma case ọsọ na Igbo mini presence because I don't understand Oh no, that not get an amount of an album if in my place. It's not possible now. Walk on what if we don't need to. I don't need your analysis about my own place, and I believe many people from Imo State. Some of whether you're a man, whether you're on social media or not, you can even if you don't want to mention that you are from there, you can say that you have somebody. If that is the case, because I don't know why you are hiding your place in your own locality, your own state. Ndị na-egbu mmaja na there, kedu ndị na-egbu mmaja ka okwu a wee eziokwu ga-apụta na because when you start keeping quiet, people will be writing your history for you, which is very, very, very bad. Like I always tell you, it's good to be truthful.
Possible. These people mad now about the most people ndọrụ ya eji n'anya isi ndọrụ ya eji n'ego. Ndị asụsụ
Ebe nke isi were mmadụ na-eji ga-eko. Even like I said, I'm in support of telling us what's going on because of the level of lies coming from Imo State. It is too much. I won't lie to you. Very, very, way too much. And ke sure so go na dig. Ama mi phone na from hope of them. I na take kuzi na hope mezeli phone na yo go no wa kepu boss bi ni ka mara yale no phone na social media because ke sure so odola na go no we phone na from Imo State governor. Ade me ku no wole na ade mo mad Imo State but otu o si push to gentle and PM and Mazam Nakano is shocking. And that is why I feel like there's no truth in that. Yes, I'm not saying that Gentle or a Biafran Liberation Army or anybody that that I have everything, the activities in my hands. I don't have. Okay, I don't know, but I don't believe that one person is responsible to everything, all the crime going on is a lie. I don't believe that. I don't believe personally. I don't believe that. And they're picking villages and communities in Imo State, the towns in Imo State to do this propaganda, and people from those areas don't want to voice out. I don't. I just imagine me now watching a video where somebody is using my own village or my own community to run propaganda. I will run a video on that. Just one video, single video. I will just come out and not even if one may not be enough. Every day I'll be reminding you that whatever they're telling you about this social place is a lie. Okay, and if you challenge me, come out. But if you keep quiet, no. Anyway, let's hear from why Isocha, who is now blaming them for not voicing out and her own place in Anambra. We are not hearing anything there. But I don't blame her because how can she know? Somebody no go no Sudan, we not China Sudan for years, Muslim as we cross all border we bata France. Ichọrọ m ife na mama maka aja aja na Igbo onwere ife ọma ọ nke ọfụ na YouTube ka o ji aba na-ege ntị
use their platform when they expose all the evil people no n'ọrụ ekwe ka ndị ọrụ nwụrụ mmiri.
So you want evil people n'ebe nke so ọ bụgo na let's assume na what film na-eme na Anambra State because otu ihe hapụrụ mgbe na Sudan. Why don't you also give us update about what is going on in your own state? In your own state. Okay?
These people who kwesịrị use their platform were nwere ọrụ ya ekwuru ndị ọrụ mmadụ na-aba allow them surprise. Instead, mmadụ na-aba use their platform wee nọrọ ndụ before wee gbara ndụ before wee kwuru ndụ before n'ọfa. Look at how useless are they. In fact, atụrụ m ole ebiri bụ aka mma na na-ege ntị.
You don't even bother to lead by example. Oh, we have again they send the money to men on ground, send money, and you guys have platform to even raise money and send. You don't do that. Men on ground, say from to be honest with you.
We dead. Can you imagine? Now with all the things you have done, you rejected every counsel from the PM. You followed Ngozi. You were there with Ngozi. When you even knew that Ngozi is working with Itochi Namani, you were there. When you knew that Ngozi is not doing anything, that Ngozi want PM to be there, remain in prison, you were there. You and two survivor. God will punish two of you. You are two survivor. The God of Biafra will never allow you to go scot-free. The egg I break on your head, everything I said concerning concerning you and choose survivor, it will come to pass.
Few days ago, this guy was crying, begging Ugo to person to, oh my brother Ugo, I call you my brother, my brother. He called you four times. How many did I call you now? Oh, 4 times. Ugo, you are my brother. You are my brother. In a Bible. Hi, today. Ọ gonna get a necessary activate egg. Elder ga-akwa akwa ka gara n'ọnụ na ya eating because this guy don't threaten with egg. Ọ na jiji ya na gana agwa gị elder. Ọ dị otu esi uwe maazị Osọch ka otu esi uwe maazị akwụkwọ. Maazị akwụkwọ. Maazị akwa. Maazị akwa. Maazị akwa is not threatening. N'ife niile kwu wute akwa ọkụ ga-eke ekwuru ekwuru ọ ga-abịa na mmezu. Lasuba is just waiting because she has something to say, and she also said something to, Ugo. She replied Ugo in a different language, based on what Ugo said about Toshin Naman. Not me talking about na Lasuba. Now you decided to talk. So but like I said, this is just preamble. The real fight is coming soon.
It will come to pass because you people are too evil. Very, very evil. Very evil. Now, you admitted now that Joy Irobi was saying the truth. That nobody is bankrolling the lawyers. And the reason was given to you. But now what you are saying now, you are changing the narrative of which you don't even know anything. Now, you are claiming that we have abandoned PM. Did PM talk to you? Did PM tell you that somebody have abandoned him? No. You are now pretending that you love PM. Now you are pretending that you love PM. If only PM Nanya, where's Rongosi?
This guy cannot maintain his own word, even a second. He used a platform few weeks ago and encouraging people, don't attack Ugo. Even if he says something that they don't like, leave him. Because in his mind, he's attacking Ngozi, both in the main enemy hour. And why is Ngozi this guy's enemy? Because Ngozi said that this your honorable Iji Eliola that is hereby dissolved. How dare you? Afanka just to makuche na my passport.
If you PM Nanya Sorongozi, Ngozi senior the poor Obaseki, the poor Nigerian politician, the Casoria, Ngozi Pata Tochi, one man, a chopota, a Casoria, in Aga. The spirit of Biafra gave Tibugi. I'm telling you, you are a very bad man. Are you not ashamed? You don't even need to come back to this Biafra movement and begin to say you are talking about Biafra. It's on Biafra. Who go? It's on Biafra. Do you want Biafra? Do you really want Biafra? Very shameless person. My brother, your voice is out. Do you want to talk openly or privately?
Now listen. Listen. Negenti.
Na kwaya kuwala n'isi Ugo 247. Na ya revive game. Ya na n'isi survivor. Na ya revive go di akwa.
No.
That no ye tiwuri ya.
Iban.
That na no ye tiwuri. Na Biafra ye ti mo Yamamoto si wiye. Now this man Leba na nekwu akwa ya kuwara. This man kuwara akwa iji wee protect oge nkele.
Thank you, Lasuba. Now, Lasuba, in a motor, I need to go no. Kita kikulu. What in a motor? What if I gonna come now? What if I get more get some money? You got to go. In a motor, get us an option. Oh, you have no problem. If we keep going on other in Ifanic. Other in Ifanic, where? Blah.
Usinaina fight oge.
True.
Koji we kuwakwa.
She did what they couldn't be for a few days ago. Na kwa gana again. Came on an egg man apple. Brain no para oji. I'm telling you, I'm not insulting him. That if he punk way from the Buddhist get about punk can easy para brain. I'm telling you, I'm not insulting him. You break egg protecting organ carry that you are criticizing today. Yes, go back at na reactivate the force on the egg. Oh my god, anyway, continue. I don't mind.
Because of one Azove
Very
killing
wicked people.
APM, Kujiwe Kuwakwa. Because nine are fighting. Now, all that you know, which my girl will go that
Up go from the place.
was with him. Now, when I fight was that person now.
So I just kezebe akwa hokwa ke bonus.
This man, I'm wrong. That you know, possibly
Thank you.
because that's how this man yaga against him.
Omaho. Reactivate ya. Oto sa reactivate kita na. Yawa ka ọ ga-pass back. Unless man will go anyway, make I not go there. It's up to him.
Do you know the reason why Akwayeji Wechiazu? All the causes, everything of Bam Makadata will come back to him. Do you know the reason? Omuna Vam Kuachana Akwa, Ebo ne protect oge nkele, continue on with oge nkele.
Eggman amana na ọ bụ na asọmpi dị na-ekpekpere ka ọ daa n'isi onye ọzọ. He just kpọrọ ilu gị n'otu a wee bunye asị elu. Nazi hoping that na asọmpi egburire na ọ ga-aga bụ daa n'isi another person. Ebe kwuo gbụgwọ dị asọ. Ọbọ mmadụ ga-agwazi na ọgwụ a ga-eji aka gwazi kọsara efefu.
Akwa ahụ ọ kụwara. Enwere ife oyi eme.
Okay.
Mana ọ kụwasịara akwa oge nkele ahụ o ji maka ya kụwa akwa ọtọ kwazie fight wakwazie data oge nkele that na ọya nwaji aka ekwesịsịa isi anyị tinye isi emi ya.
Okay.
Mana ama m nwere idea. Ama m no.
Mụa n'ebe a ọ gbakwa m afọ abụ data akwa na-agwa gị ife a. This brain ọkpa na mention my name oge ọ na-akwụwa kwụ ya n'isi sọnem ya ọ bụrụ m ebe na dra akwa n'isi sọnem ya okoko onye na-emere oge edete nke na-akwa akwa n'isi ya ị na-awụka ya na-ege ntị
Nwere idea. Because na akwa kụwara n'isi ugo 247 and the chick survivor. Awụrụ na nke dị CRC. Ọ bụrụ because of CRC.
Because of Ogenkele.
Because of Ogenkele.
Thank you.
About protecting APM.
That is true.
Now, Vam lose APM. Turn against APM. Vam lose Biafran government in exile. Now, Vam na was go kuna. Ona was go break. You na was go CRC.
KSO
Government. Or still news about one and a group, another group on her. And we forgot, which means nearly 9 who was allowed to go to a co-op you. I didn't say we go 247. I just mean who talk with easy ready.
Okay, banana. Guys, another thing. Now listen. Listen.
Why this manage way made serious mistake? No mere nandia. Ije kuwakwa.
Akwegenti.
Amono no kete kula na kete no chesi. Nda nkwa na akwa. Hey, oge nke na nji maka akwa akwa. Je kuwasi akwa n'isi ndo wa osi akwa na akwa. Oworo n'isi no. Ade ma afu ma nozi wuto oge nke. Ade na mu wato no kwazie fight wakwa that oge nke la. Wakwa oge nke la hi. To what the downfall of that Ogenkele to bring that Ogenkele down. Which no if more than them and they get a name, Van Vanji will coaqua, Nisia one way. We have Van Vanji will coaqua, Nisia one way. And the amount of no market the Chelsea, I got for a over close, so a more none again.
Yeah, no. No problem. Oh yeah, go ahead, go ahead. You have 2 minutes because I really need to play this video and analyze it. Okay, I just want to remind you something. There is something our leader Martin Africa said that when you're doing something, if your enemies are not talking about you that you are not doing it well, know that what you are doing is not right. Yes. That is exactly what is happening now. If they are not talking about you that this man, you are not doing, know that what you are doing is not working. If they are praising you, so God have separated them away from Biafra. Yes.
Now again, you know, Lasuba.
Some people.
Lasuba, then I was not giving me. Yeah.
Ụmụnne m ka m gwakwa m ụlọ eziokwu unu fụ m ebe m na-ejehie ụzọ unu agbakwana m nkịtị
It's not giving me. You know, I'm not the model. Hey, Lasuba, so give you know they hear advice now. I'm going to go. Never can I get one.
Because unu ebe tụm na na-ejefe ụzọ eziokwu ka m na-agwa unu ebe na-eto m na na-ejefe ụzọ adịghị enyere m aka na unu na-egbu m
mgbe ọ na-enyere gị aka ebe a ka ị na-eme ebe a ka ị na-agba kedu ebe ndị mbụ na na-egede ọ ya mee gị ndị mbụ na na-egede na ijefe ụzọ ka eji mara gị na ichenji na mba ọ ebe ijefe ụzọ ọ ya bụ ya ka na-emere gị ada ndị mbụ na ngedere eyi chefugo na ibu eyi ka ezi ka ị ga-egosi akwụkwọ na mmadụ nke tọrọ bịatị ọ ijefe ụzọ ahụ ebe a ka na anyị na-esi wepụta nke tọrọ bịatị na-enye ndị mmadụ na akwa ege n'ilu ya onye na-amara ọchị na ọ na-ege ntị ọ na-ege ntị she don't take advice.
Look at ife this man nọ ebe a na-akọ onye kpọrọ this man kpọrọ na fon a na ọnwụ dat na ọnọdụ okwu amalite maazị Nnamdị Kanu na-ekwusi na ọnwụ na ị na-enye ife akpọngụ terrorist mana ị naghị emeta ya ife.
Okay, so now you know. So now you know, and you know that you believe that because the guy pocket and Eggman Korea, I don't want to go there. But since no should be not reporter, so you are in agreement with that, right? So technically, you are telling your followers that the person they not really that we are terrorists, right? PM they not really that we are terrorists, and then that terrorists. So you feel you man of our in the ojo kafam. Oye na boy ni metia afa boy ojo because that's why it's not going to ide metia na iwatago. So keep going for no because I na ga one.
Ife ana achukwu ka egbu ogi mana na emeta ya ife. Ị na-emete ya ife onye ka eji achụgbu ka egbu ogi.
Okay.
Ị na-emete ya ife onye ka eji
plan ka ị na-anụ ya. So ife iji akpọ COS maka ndị na-akpọ gị ada gị jisi ike ị na-agba mbọ ọkwa ndị otu gị o ndị ọjọọ na-achụ ndị ọma ndị ọjọọ na-achụ ndị ọma ọsọ because for you to admit this thing now is just to confirm. Why I'm recording this because I don't want to waste my time on this. This video we're supposed to discuss on a live broadcast, on a live program, but we may have other things to in pipeline. Or better, maybe you can still because I'm not gonna record everything here. I'm not gonna analyze everything. The video is too long. She's still live. Okay, on this video, I believe because I can see that the video is giving somehow, meaning that maybe she's still running the program. But somebody sent it to me and said, "Come and watch you. Come and see." I thought this is a video that's like of long time ago, but I noticed that this video is just it's going live. Yeah, the video is still live. Now pay attention.
Terrorist now because no name it.
Okay. And you go and about US terrorist.
I want the Mazen
Land terrorist.
This my brother. One of
in a one case, we bought to be terrorist, none of it. Yeah, Popania.
Dear book, war that I brought it about. See, will Lunife, this man. No, I met the beginning. In a métier, because of na who go 247, add that no way be trocoda. Because of you go 247, I get put tangi kaginiana bolowa.
Which is true. The same thing applicable to you because on Angos of the COS, Dr. Angos equal cobra putting dano koge. Because she did not accept Gewa. Man, now open a CS, maybe the DPM does not get no quitting like nan. The said it too low. Kawa believe in a way for them. I'm mad. Once I say na name man na ban bongo like that once I say na ban here ka 7:30 ịba ụta na chi ọ dịghị ka ọ dịghị ka chikere ịmago n'ife taa maka dị ka taa maka ife mmadụ ife na-eme ebu na gị ba ime ọfịa ọfụma ọfụma nakọsa gị everything ị na-akọ erizi. That is what this woman wanted to do, but I thank God because why akara ya ọ ee ọ kachapụla anya why ọtanụ gbaka ahịa ịpụta with the courage to overshadow COS maka ife oteke ọ ịgwa gị na ya bụ nwaanyị na o jide ndị dị ka ya oge nkere mgbe ihe na ọ okechikọ ka ọ ga-eme nkechi ego tie efe n'azụ akpa gaa ya elu.
Because of go 247 bash down.
Okay.
You will say anger. Ogu go 247 job no we, which I am here for that. Because I told me do 247 I do this night. Uma boni me uro na abonna azo na chon kam to ogo njogo ni direct. E wouldn't get to go 247. Vam, let me tell you something.
What's your?
In a too far, you own an eme, in a mifigi okay. MSCN bazo. Es nakan goes a puta.
I think we are gonna end it here on Abazinashi. I have picked the point that I want for you. I want you to hear. Thank you so much, and make sure you like the video. Tell me what you think about what she said. We are coming back. God bless you. Bye bye for now.